Hello my dear students. Now let us discuss about the velocity of image when the object moves with a velocity u. Okay. Let us see all the different cases. Say this is a mirror is in YZ plane, let us say. And imagine this car is moving towards the plane mirror, means along x axis with a velocity u. Now what is the velocity of the image? Is my question correct? My question is incomplete. Here I should ask my question like this. What is the velocity of image with respect to object? Or else I can ask the velocity of image with respect to mirror. Good, how much? If I ask the questions like this, these questions are correct. But if I ask what is the velocity of the image, means the question is wrong. What is the velocity of the image with respect to the observer, as well as what is the velocity of the image with respect to the mirror? I should ask the question like this. See, if the object is moving with the velocity u like this, the image also moves towards the mirror with the same velocity u. What is the velocity of image with respect to observer means velocity of image minus velocity of object. These are relative velocity formulae. So what is the absolute velocity of the image? See, this is moving towards positive x-axis, this is moving towards negative x-axis, that's why it is minus u minus what is the velocity of the observer or object? It is u, which is equal to minus 2u. This minus indicates that the object is moving towards the observer in the negative direction with a magnitude double that of the velocity of the object. Now, what is the velocity of the image with respect to mirror? For this, the relative velocity formula is velocity of image minus velocity of mirror. So, what is the velocity of image? Negative u minus u. What is the velocity of the mirror here? The mirror is at rest, that side is 0. So, the velocity of image with respect to the mirror is equal to minus u. Means the magnitude of the image is u, means same as the velocity of object, but in opposite direction to the object. This is when the object is moving perpendicular to the plane of the mirror. Now, let us see what is the velocity of the object when the object is moving either along y-axis or along z-axis, means along the plane of the mirror. Now see, imagine I am the object. If I am moving like this, what about my image? My image is always beside me. So, when the object is moving along the plane of the mirror, the velocity of image with respect to the observer is equal to velocity of image minus velocity of object. What is the velocity of image? Same as me, u. What is the velocity of the object? U. So, it is 0. As the object is always beside me, the relative velocity is 0. Is it clear? Now, if the object is moving along z-axis, then what happens? For example, the object is moving like this. The image is also moving in the z direction only. Then also, the image is always in front of the object. The distance between the object and the image is not changed, hence velocity is also not changed. So, the velocity of the image with respect to the object is 0 even when the object is moving along the z-axis. Now, what is the velocity of image with respect to the mirror? That is our question. When the object is moving along the plane. So, here our relative velocity formula is velocity of image minus velocity of mirror. So, what is the velocity of the mirror? 0. So, what is the velocity of image? U. So, u minus 0 equal to u. That's all. So, this is the velocity of image with respect to the mirror when the object is moving along the plane of the mirror. Now, if you would like to, if you want to take in the vector form, then if the object is moving along, then if the mirror is in YZ plane, then what is the velocity of object? If the velocity of object is uxi plus uyz plus uzk, and the absolute velocity of the image equal to how much? with respect to the ground. As it is moving along yz plane, yz will not be changed, x will be changed. That's why it will be minus ux I cap plus uyz plus uzk. Now, what is the velocity of image with respect to the object? That is equal to velocity of image minus velocity of object, which is equal to velocity of image means this minus this. When you are subtracting this from this minus minus minus, so when you subtract this from this is minus uxi, that is minus uxi, which is equal to minus 2uxi cap, and this is uyj, and this minus uyj, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Hence you are left with this one only. So velocity of image with respect to the object. So the remaining also you can try in the same process. Okay, this is our concept about velocity of image when the mirror is at rest. Next, let us discuss the velocity of image when the mirror is in motion. So not much difference. When the mirror is in motion, the only difference comes here is, here we have tried the velocity of the mirror, that's all. The remaining will be same.